Welcome back to Crypto Spaces, back with another Zora update for you guys. The market right now is taking a tumble. We had a nice move up yesterday and instantly got sold off. You know, a lot of people think this is a bear market, and that potentially is the case, man. All I could say is DCA, man. If Zora comes back down to 0 to 1 cent, you know, and $1,000 is 100k Zora, hey, that's great, you know. That way you could get 300, 400k Zora for $3,000 to $4,000, and you know my target still remains of potentially a $1 to $5 Zora in the future, right? 10 billion market cap for Zora is still, in my opinion, in the cards for the future. $1 per Zora is in the future for what I, see for this project, for the utility that it provides. It's funny that so many people in the space say, "Oh, we're tired of meme coins. We don't want to buy meme coins." But then it's like nobody wants to buy anything. Nobody wants to buy anything, right? They're only buying the select one or two coins that are more than likely insider coins that are shared by people on crypto Twitter, right? When there's a open, utility supported by great builders, backed by one of the biggest companies in the space, right? It's right in front of their face, and they're not going to try to accumulate that, right? The only people that are going to be trying to accumulate is the people who are already wealthy to make themselves more wealthy. Well, guess what? In my opinion, you have to follow the waves of the people that are already wealthy, following their footsteps to become so also, right? So Zora pulls back down, goes to 1 cent per Zora once again. You could get 300k Zora for $3,000. I think that's a great bet. But right now I still think you should just DCA. I'm not sure if we're gonna get a relief rally or we're gonna go to new all-time highs. The market in general feels like it's in an extremely rough patch. But Zora right now at 4 cents, 4 cent, $445 million FDV. I know sometime in the future Zora will be at a $10 billion market cap, if not 50 billion market cap, sometime in the future. I'm just looking at the FDV, not worrying about the 50% unlocked tokens. No, I know for a fact nothing is guaranteed, but I have so much confidence in the utility of Zora. I see a $1 to $5 Zora in the future, right? Base app. The base app went live yesterday, and it's fully open. I downloaded it on my phone already, and I'm testing it out. It's a pretty nice app, guys. And remember, the creator coin or the creator posts ecosystem is all peer to Zora. Remember that, right? So when the base app went live, you see they updated their branding. When the base app went live, you see Jesse talking about it, right? Jesse Pollock, founder of Base. They spoke about it, and it's non-custodial self-custody wallet, right? And it was a great presentation. Love what I saw, and love what they're building. And again, every new user that signs up to the base app and makes creator content or creator posts or creator coins, whatever you want to call it, just like any other social media platform, they're peer to Zora, right? So if these creator coins grow, or even if, like, for example, we just see a bunch of new users just coming in, that's gonna be bullish for Zora, right? You see Jesse mentioned Zora right there, as you can see.
Like Ethereum and Zora and Farcaster and X open protocols, like Ethereum and Zora and
right? He mentioned Zora there in the base app and the base Coinbase presentation, right? I'm telling you, so I'm still bullish on Zora, even though the prices are down. I think now is a great time to accumulate if you haven't already. And like I said, 20,000 Zora right now, $891, 100k Zora, 25k Zora, $1,100, and 100k Zora is $4,458, right? So obviously invest by your risk management. I think $1 Zora will happen, and it's gonna happen fast and shock most of crypto Twitter. The projects that's normally explode out of here is the coins that people don't have exposure to. Look at Pippin, for example. Pippin on a crazy run, no Twitter account, none of that, right? So I think Zora is extremely bullish here. As always, none of this is financial advice. Thank y'all for tuning in. Catch you in the next one.